so today we are doing the unboxing of the Teton. Let me make sure I get the name right here. The Teton Deer Hunter 0 to negative 35 degree Fahrenheit sleeping bag. Now, we're gonna do the unboxing, and I don't know if I'm ever gonna get an opportunity to sleep in negative 35 degree Fahrenheit, freezing cold weather, to give you a review on how warm I stayed. But we will go through, take a peek at it, look at the material, and when I do get an opportunity to utilize in some cold temperature, right now we're in August, so it's very warm, so we're just literally doing an unboxing review. But if there is an opportunity where I get to be able to utilize this in freezing cold weather, then I will be happy to kind of share my thoughts on this particular sleeping bag. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. It's got quite a big box here. All right, pull it out. Okay. Now it looks bigger than the sleeping bags I remember as a kid. I am not the biggest outdoorsman, so this could just be what modern sleeping bags have converted to as far as the covering of a bag. I just kind of remember my sleeping bag as a kid being something that I stuffed into this tiny little bag and threw on my backpack, and off I went. This right here does not seem like I'm gonna throw this on a backpack and take off. This sleeping bag is more of a, well, how about it looks, it appears to be more of one that I'm just gonna carry in my automobile and set up camp and utilize. All right, so yeah, this is quite large. Definitely not gonna be backpacking this particular sleeping bag, but it does come in a nice bag right here for easy, convenient packing and storage. All right, let's see. It's very tight. All right. Now that's pretty wide. That's wider than the sleeping bag that I used as a child. Well, as a young adult, probably is a better word, because it is an adult sleeping bag that I used to use. And it's pretty cool. It's got a pocket here, so you could probably throw your cell phone right there, so you know where it is at all times. Keep it in that pocket. It's very thick, very plush. You could almost use it as a mattress. It feels so thick, and very comfortable feeling. And it does feel, you know, like it would retain a lot of warmth. I don't know, it's hard to tell how thick it is, but it's quite thick. It's pretty thick right here. And of course, once you get into it and your body heat starts to stay warm, I mean, look at that right there. Negative 35. Again, I don't think I've ever been in temperature that's probably negative 4 or 5, let alone negative 35. But this is the deer hunting sleeping bag, and if you are up in the high mountains in the wintertime, it could be freezing up there. So, man, I'm going to believe that this is going to definitely keep you warm on a really cold night. It is thick. It is thick. I mean, like I said, it's so thick, I could almost probably lay on it as a mattress. But no question, this thing will keep you warm. Again, just obviously they've done their testing, so as warm as negative 35 degree Fahrenheit weather. So I will one day, not in August, get a chance to utilize this and be able to see how well it keeps me warm. But again, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna be ever in temperature that's, I don't know, maybe 20 degrees. I don't even imagine sleeping anywhere in 0, but I'll tell you right now, if I was gonna go somewhere winter camping, I would definitely take this because it's, obviously better to be safe than sorry. Whoever would be sleeping in this sleeping bag would definitely stay warm.